Is it necessary to remove and replace the water filter in the fridge after moving it?
Hello and welcome to our discussion on fridge maintenance. Today we're tackling an important question that often arises when we're moving a fridge. Is it necessary to remove and replace the water filter in the fridge after moving it? This is crucial knowledge for maintaining the health and longevity of your fridge and ensuring your water is safe to drink.
What does the water filter do?
Before we address the specific question, it's essential to understand the role of a water filter in your refrigerator. The water filter in your fridge is responsible for removing contaminants and impurities from the water that's dispensed from your fridge or used to make ice. The filter ensures you get clean, fresh water every time.
Why might moving impact the water filter?
When a fridge is moved, especially over bumpy surfaces or significant distances, the internal components can get jostled around. This can potentially lead to loosened fittings, disruption of the sediment trapped in the filter, or even a minor leakage. This could impact the effectiveness of the water filter.
Should you replace the water filter after moving the fridge?
Whether you need to replace the water filter after moving the fridge is largely dependent on the circumstances. If you've transported the fridge over a short distance with smooth terrain, the filter is likely fine. However, if the fridge has been jostled significantly during the move, or if it's been laid down instead of kept upright, it's a good idea to replace the filter. Also, if you notice a change in the taste, smell, or color of the water after the move, you should definitely replace the water filter. It's always better to be safe than sorry, and a fresh water filter will ensure the best tasting and safest water for you and your family.
How often should you generally replace the water filter?
Regardless of moving, it's a good practice to replace your water filter every 6 months or sooner if you notice any change in the quality of your water. This ensures that you're always getting the freshest and purest water from your refrigerator. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you make an informed decision on maintaining your fridge post-move. The water filter is a vital component of your refrigerator, and knowing when and why to replace it is key for your appliance's longevity and your health. Always remember, when in doubt, it's better to replace it. Stay healthy, stay hydrated.